Hi guys! For today's video, we are going to do a tutorial about removing background in a picture using MS Word. So the first thing to do is open your MS Word application. After mo ma-open ang MS Word application mo, you need to copy a picture or insert a picture na gusto mong alisan ng background. Next, right-click and paste the picture, or you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-V, but make sure na may nakopy ka ng picture. Okay, so after natin ma-paste ang picture, we need to click the picture and click picture format sa taas and hanapin lang yung remove background. Okay, so after mong i-click yung remove background, lalabas ang mga icons na ito na nasa taas na mark areas to keep, mark areas to remove, discard all changes, and keep changes. So, as you can see, nagkulay magenta yung ibang parts ng picture. Ibig sabihin, kapag nagkulay magenta siya, yun yung mga parts na naalis sa picture, okay? Or na-remove. Okay, so after that, click mo muna yung keep changes para makita mo kung aling parts ng picture ang natira. Para alam mo kung ano yung mga areas na kailangan mong i-keep. After that, click mo ulit yung remove background and click mark areas to keep. This time, tingnan mong mabuti yung picture and i-mark mo yung areas na kailangan matira, okay? Na para background lang yung maalis. And after that, keep changes again. And as you can see, may mga areas ka pa na kailangan i-remove. So this time, ang i-click mo is mark areas to remove. After clicking mark areas to remove, carefully na alisin yung mga areas na kailangan mong alisin. And after that, click keep changes. Okay, so since tapos na nating alisin ang background ng picture, let's compare it to our original picture. So let's just paste the picture katabi ng ating edited or removed background na picture. Okay, so tapos na ang ating tutorial about removing background using MS Word. Sana may natutunan kayo guys. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you!